Today I'm going to show you how to upload your lesson plans into It's Learning. If you are self-contained, then you can choose your homeroom. If you are departmentalized like I am, you need to choose one of your subjects so that your class 2 parents can see your TEKS and your content objectives. I'm going to scroll over to Plans. I'm going to check my plan settings, use topic, separate field for resources and activities, active, topic fields. I changed the first title from topic to content. Term is set to nobody. I added a field and labeled it week of. Plan fields, I changed the first title to unit/building block, set to everyone and yes. Active date or date, everyone and yes. Learning standards, everyone and yes. Student outcomes, everyone, yes. Course activities, I set that to teacher and yes. Resource links, I set to teacher and yes, so that parents don't see this tab if you upload your plans. Class hour, set to nobody. And I added a field and labeled it link plans as told during our teacher week and set it to everyone. I'm toggling my link plans and I'm going to set it right under student outcomes and save. Next, I'm going to add content and I'm going to click a title or choose a title. I added Math Unit 1, Science Unit 2, Science Fair and Experimental Design, week of September 3rd through the 7th. Add plan. You can either add your plans here for the entire week, or you can add a plan per day. Label your unit block Unit 1 for math, and I labeled my science Unit 2. I'm going to set this for the whole week. So this week starts on Tuesday, so 9:04 to 9:07, and the hour from 8 to 3:10. If I choose to set it per day, then I'm going to double check that my dates match. Learning standards. If you do not see any learning standards, then you have not applied your curriculum template to your course. Once you do that, then you'll be able to see your TEKS for your subjects that you teach. I'm going to select math and select the TEKS that go along with my lesson for the week. Select insert. Then I'm going to select science. And then I'm going to choose my English language proficiency for my ELL students. And insert and close. And you'll see I'm listed under Learning Standards. I can hover over the TEAC and see the description. Next, I'm going to add my student outcomes. Here I listed math, content objective, and language objective. And right underneath, I've listed my science. If you list for the whole week, make sure you have all your objectives, both content and language, for the entire week listed here. If you choose to upload per day, then they will be listed right underneath the same column. Next, I'm going to show you how to link your plans. This is new for us this year, so I'm going to click the little pencil. I'm going to click the globe, and I'm going to click my folder of lesson plans that's already uploaded in its learning. Select Save, and it will be uploaded as a document under Link Plans. Last year we uploaded under resource links. So I'm going to add resource, show all, and the video is not showing, so I'm selecting file, and I'm able to see my file folders, so I can select from my desktop, documents, OneDrive. So I've selected from my OneDrive, lesson plan folder, week 3. I'm unsure at this time where to link up the lesson plan, so for this week, I'm gonna go ahead and insert them under both resource links and link plans. If you're uploading here for the entire week, then you're done. If you're uploading per day, then make sure that you have your titles, you add your dates, standards, and objectives. And your plans can be linked on Monday for the entire week. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helps.